Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create a call link on WhatsApp. So first, let's click on WhatsApp. And now make sure that you're on the call section. So this is the chat section and this is the call section. And right at the top, you'll see create call link. I'm going to press on that. And now I can send link via WhatsApp. I can copy the link, share link, or add to calendar with the link. What I'm going to do right now is actually choose what type of call it's going to be. Right now it's at video, and I'm going to press on video, turn it to voice call, and now I'm going to click on send link via WhatsApp. And now from my contacts, I get to choose who I want to send this to. So I can either send this to one person or I can send this to a multitude of people. So I'm going to click on Nick Robinson 2, click on Noah, and then I'm going to click on next on the bottom right corner. And now I can type a message as well. Hey guys, you should join this call. And now at the top right corner, I'm going to click on send. And now I can go back and I can actually go and see at these messages. If I go on chats, I can see that I sent it to Noah and I can see that I sent it to Nick. And now to join the call, I just press join call. And now I can click on join. And now I will be a part of it. Hey, Nick, this is just a video for the tutorial. Appreciate you joining, but I gotta go. And that's how you create a call link on WhatsApp. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.